I'm gonna get some video to send to the family of the boats coming through.
Yeah, yeah. We'll never believe you.
Nah, you ain't going to get through in a Fiesta. We've got a Fiesta behind us trying to get through.
Maybe if I'm lucky I'll get a video of them stalling.
That'll be testament, won't it? If she gets through, we'll all be able to get through.
Good luck. Oh, you sure you want to try that? Oh, the pressure's on. Will they go or will they stay? Surf's up. And here we come on the wave.
Yeah, start swimming home. Start swimming. Go on.
That's the worst thing she can do is stop. Trouble is, the more that try it and fail, nobody's going to get anywhere, are they?
They're doing all right.
Oh, this one's going down the path.
Ooh.
Is that a scrap?
Bold strategy, Cotton. Let's see if it works out.
I don't know. I've not got hope for it. They've given up already.
Oh.
If they can get through, I'm sorted.
Oh.
It's not looking good though. I reckon they're
Oh,
fucked.
he's swimming. He's swimming.
It's a good strategy.
Oh.
Nah, look. It's that mid-zone. No way. No way.
Wait, you
They've
get
fucking
through.
done it.
It's a submarine, but he's doing it?
They've fucking done it.
Wow.
That was a woman.
I need to do that. Well, no.
That's easier.
That's a bit easier.
Have you got the bottle to try it?
Has to get through. I'm shitting it, to be honest. But I've got to get home, so.
Only wants one car to get stuck, and everybody's stuck.
This is horrific. This is. Hey, that's a fucking shout.